So Actian as a company, we've been around for over 30 years, and we have a pretty large set of install base in enterprise space. We are talking about more than 30,000 customers. We essentially have a data warehouse offering on-prem, and then earlier this year we launched Actian Avalanche, which is essentially data warehousing offered as a managed service in the cloud. Where we stand different from other competitors in the cloud data warehouse space is in the ability to be hybrid.
In the past, hybrid has always been a problem because of speed and access. We have solved both of that, and we give you a platform in terms of Avalanche, which gives a higher performance throughput and enables this whole promise of the hybrid cloud.
Equian is in the insurance claims space. And they're getting millions of claims coming in, or billions of dollars of claims coming in. And then their analyst needs to go pound on that, looking for, is there anything wrong with this claim? Is there any fraud going on this? Essentially, they get paid for what they find.
The opportunity to take data, transform that data into information to result in value for not only for our organization, but for our customers has been something that I've really thrived on. We've seen opportunities to grow revenue. We've seen opportunities to improve our customers' capabilities, as well as allow them to become more successful. Finding a technology partner that allows you to be successful when building a data warehouse or a data lake is absolutely critical. We had several components that we were focused on. One was obviously security. Being in the healthcare space, you had to have a secure platform. Secondly, we had to have something that operated with speed. Our customers expect us to move very quickly, and moving with speed was a critical element of our selection process when we brought in Actian. Our success was, absolutely critical on a project of this scale, and we felt that Actian absolutely was there at the table with us throughout our entire journey. Performance was the name of the game for us. We had to make sure that our platform allowed the data to be processed and pushed to the downstream systems in the most efficient manner. The hardware solutions that are required to build out a platform as large as we were looking at were incredibly expensive. But one of the things that Actian really allowed us to do was use all components of that hardware to ensure our success. In addition to the database technologies that we were leveraging, we were also using the Data Connect and Data Flow integration tools that allowed us to script the capabilities to move the data in an automated fashion. This was something that we had never done before, but due to the common data language that we were using, it made it very simple for us to accomplish those goals. Instead of having multiple different locations where this data would sit, we were actually able to consolidate that. That came to reduced operating costs, reduced resource costs, as well as the opportunity for us to simplify how we store our data. Secondly, as we started to look at cloud services, it was an opportunity for us to reduce the total expense associated with the storage requirements on our cloud solutions. And so we saw significant reduction in our cloud service cost solely based on the fact that we were only pushing the data required versus pushing all the data that was done in the past. As we stand right now, we have over 3 billion claims, unique individual claims sitting in the data warehouse. And we were able to process those, push those out on a moment's notice to any downstream system. In addition to that, we've allowed our data analysts to start to leverage that platform to do queries and investigations and interrogations of that data to improve our customers' outputs. We really enjoyed our opportunity to work with Actian. The partnership, the integration, the access to the engineers to challenge their ability to improve the system and understand our challenges and requirements. In the healthcare space, we had a lot of different platforms that we were integrating with, and it was absolutely critical for us to bring those challenges to the Actian team to allow them to understand the differences between our data and data from other industries. And so we pushed the Actian team, I think, on a regular basis, and the engineers, I think, enjoyed working with us for the simple fact that we were pushing the envelope of what their technology could do. When Actian brought us the results that they had, we were quite surprised, to be honest with you. We put those through our own series of tests, and the results that we achieved were everything that Actian had promised and then some. The opportunity to reduce customer data loads from days to minutes was something that we never thought was truly possible, but we were able to achieve.